everyone, welcome back to Tuesday Teachings on Yellow Door Talks. If you haven't, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss the next video. Today we're talking about concepts, big concepts like karma, of giving and getting, of acceptance, of compassion, and of peace. Let's explore some of these big concepts in some of the most simplest ways. So join me in this reading, and it's a great pleasure and honor to share this time with you. On My Way to a Happy Life by Deepak Chopra with Christina Tracy. Anything is possible. There's something incredible inside of you. It's the power to make all your dreams come true. The gift you've been given is that you can create absolutely anything, whether small or great. So imagine, believe, and set your dreams free. There is no limit to what you can do or be. Way to a happy life? Believe that anything is possible. Giving and getting. Do you want more friends, more fun, more of just whatever? There's an easy way to get it. It really is quite clever. Give the things you want to get every single day, and you will find the very same things coming back your way. Always give with a happy heart. That's what makes it real. The greatest gift of all is just how good you feel. Way to a happy life? Give what you want to get. Be open to life. Sometimes it feels like life's a maze and you don't know what's in store. Always be ready to turn down a path you may not have taken before. If you think there's only one way that something can be done, learning that there are many ways makes life a lot more fun. The more you are open to new ideas of how your life can be, the more happiness you will have. Try it and you'll see. Way to a happy life? Be open to new ways and ideas. What you do comes back to you. Karma is an ancient word you may hear people say. It means that how you live your life creates what comes your way. Every day you decide the things you say and do, and what you choose will change the way others act toward you. Your heart will gladly guide you in the choices that you make, and your karma will follow you. Good luck is no mistake. Way to a happy life. Follow your heart, it knows what to do. Creating peace. Sometimes you may wish that things were different than they are, but when you learn acceptance, life will be easier by far. You won't always understand what other people do, but know that change can happen when it starts with you. Trying to control the world, well, it just can't be done. You alone can create peace, your place in the sun. Way to a happy life? Create peace by learning acceptance. Growing what you want. If you want something to happen, then do these simple things. Set your mind on what you wish for, then see what the future brings. Do the work, plant the seed, and believe that it will grow. After you have done these things, it's time to just let go. In your heart, you can be sure that nature will do the rest. The universe has a plan for you and will always do what's best. Way to a happy life. Work toward what you want, then let it go. Your place in the world. Your dharma is your purpose. It's why you're here on earth. It's a gift that you were given in time before your birth. You have a special talent that is unique to you. When you're doing this one thing, your happiness feels true. If you don't know what your dharma is, don't worry, you'll find out. It may be soon or not for years, but you will know it without a doubt. You'll share your dharma with many or with just a few. It doesn't matter as long as you share it. That's why it was given to you. Way to a happy life? Find your dharma and find bliss. You have now learned the ways of nature and the universe, the way that things always have and always will work. When you understand these ideas and use them in your life, you will flow with nature and life will be full of joy. Deepak Chopra. Thank you all for joining me in that reading. I hope this was insightful. I hope it allowed to break down some of these big words that we hear into simple forms, into ways in which we can perhaps bring them into our life and use them effectively as well. So with that, I leave you with this to think about it, to see how it shows up in your life, and we'll be back next week with a new book and a new topic. Take care everyone and be well.